Hi everyone, so in this video we'll talk about the applications, the plugins given by Autodesk or provided by Autodesk itself or another platforms as well, like plugins for Revit, plugins for Navis works or any other softwares given by Autodesk. So if you wanted to cross check that how many plugins do we have and how many plugins are free, so from where we can cross check that thing. So for that, just click right here, Autodesk App Center, App Store, and go on the first link only. Right here you can see you are now in Autodesk App Store. You can find all those applications which will apply on any Autodesk software. But if we are searching for plugins for only Revit, so go right here, all app, click on that and click on Revit only and click on search bar. Now you can see all those applications for Revit, like these all are kind of plugin or add-ins. So now if you want to check only free applications, so go right here in app type, click on free apps. Now you'll find all those kind of free apps for Revit itself. If you know the application's name, like Family Revisor for Revit, so I'll click on this Family Revisor right here. Now you can see the Family Revisor right here that I needed. So I'll click on free because I already marked that I just want all those kind of free apps only. So I'll click on free. Now I'll go right here for download. Now it started downloading, you can see right here. Make sure you have an Autodesk App Store account. If you do not have, it will ask you when you'll click on download. So you'll create that thing. That's not any issue in that. You can create your own Autodesk app account. So after that you can download that thing. I already have that Autodesk app account, so that's why it's directly downloading the application for me. So how we can cross check, like suppose I just wanted to cross check the application for Navis as well. So I'll go in Navis works right here. It should be right there. Yeah, it is right there. Now I'll click on this one. It will show me all those applications applied on what we can say in Navis. So I can download anything from right there. So that's how we can cross check. And also right there you can see the versions, which version you are using and which version you need, those kind of thing. And here we can see different kind of what we can say operating systems are given right there. So yeah, that's how we can cross check. Thank you. We'll meet in next video.